Vedic wedding. So that is what we are doing now. Behind the drama, if you see on the wall, there is a Sita Swayamvaram also there. You can see later on when you come for the darshan also. So now we are doing this Mangalya Sutra Dharanam. Everyone please do the namaskaram from there. It's already came to you with the talambralu. Again from there only everyone do the namaskaram. Ayya, మీరు చెప్పడానికి రెడీగా ఉండండి ప్రసాద్ గారు.